Ministry ya Githomo iraheanite nginyagia tariki 16 mweri uyu wa Januari kurekereria mihango ya woyani wa arutwo thini wa senior school. No na thengia ya ihinda riri riothe magana ma arutwo matiri maraingira thukuru, na o ni thutha wa gukorwo mataiganirite na thukuru iria metitwo makihoka ati thirikari ni kuongerera ihinda makiria.
We have been discussing in the ministry and we are thinking of actually extending the deadline a little bit to accommodate those who come in late, and consultations are still there, but we are hoping that the minister will be able to give a clear position of the government on this particular issue. But we want to encourage the learners that the deadline is tomorrow.
Kuringana na mwandiki MUKARU ministry-ini ya Githomo JULIUS BITOK, mihango ino ikoretwo igithie na mbere o wega, no na kuhana roguo akiuga thina munene uria ukoretwo kuo ni namba nene ya arutwo gukorwo makienda kuingira thukuru-ini nini iria ciri igweta.
So many students are interested in only 20 schools. Like I said before, more than 50,000 learners are interested in only 20 schools, which is impossible to place because so far these 20 schools are full as we speak now. The reporting to these 20 schools is almost 90%.
BITOK augite arutwo othe milioni 1.1 mari na mieke kuingira thini wa senior school, akiuria aciari kuhimbiria thukuru kuria ciana ciao cietitwo.
I want to encourage the students to take the schools that they have been given. Every learner in this country has a school. There's no learner here who doesn't have a school. What you only need to do is to confirm by sending SMS to 22263, or you can go to the portal and put in your assessment number and the PIN, and you know the school you have been placed.
Thini wa ikereka ria mbere ria gucenjia wa thukuru, makiria ma arutwo 600,000 nio maikite ihoya makienda gucenjia thukuru kuria metitwo.
Across the board, whether you are talking about C1 schools, C2 schools, C3 schools, C4 schools, students are reporting across the board, and that we expect more students to go to C4 because they have more capacity. But so far, 42% of the students who have reported in C4 schools.
Maya mokiterire thukuru nyingi cia mukirite na banini ya arutwo okiringithania na miaka ya hau kabere. Imwe cia thukuru ici ari thukuru wa airetu wa Rang'ala uria wa mukirite arutwo 400 na uratanyite arutwo 800. Otaguo thukuru wa airetu wa Sinyolo na Nyakach na cio ikiamukira nuthu ya namba iria iratanyitwo ya arutwo 800 na arutwo 1,400 kirumaniririo.
The turnout was very low. Unlike the other years, we used to have almost 300 students reporting on the first day. This time round we had about 120.
We have failed 4 classes already with about 350 students. The STEM and the social sciences are taking the day.
Arugamiriri a thukuru ici makuruhanitie na beno na mathina ma kibesha maria magumeire family nyingi kuria imwe cia thukuru ici ciamukirite arutwo amwe ona matakinyanirie mabataro mothe.
We had to handle those special cases because of their poor background. So far, we have not turned any parent back home, but we have to understand and accommodate them so that we'll find a way of accommodating them in school.
Hadwine Hakameme TV, Jitagogena, Wawadura.